Espresso coming out too bitter, too weak, or too fast? Dialing in your grind size makes all the difference. Here's how to optimize the Ninja Luxe Premier's grind settings for better flavor and flow. Step 1. Understand your dial. The grind size knob adjusts how fine or coarse your coffee is. Lower numbers, finer grind, stronger espresso with slower flow. Higher numbers, coarser grind equals faster flow, lighter flavor. Step 2. Start in the middle and adjust. Begin at a medium setting, typically around 3 or 4. If your shots run too fast and taste weak, dial it finer. If they run too slow or taste bitter, go a bit coarser. Step 3. Watch the flow and timing. A good single shot should take about 25 to 30 seconds from start to finish. Too fast? Grind finer. Too slow or no flow? Go coarser or check your tamp. Step 4. Adjust in small steps. Make one change at a time and pull a shot to test. Big jumps in grind size can throw everything off. Go one click at a time. Step 5. Pair with proper tamp and dose. Grind is only part of the equation. Use the correct coffee amount and tamp with even, firm pressure for consistent results. Still not happy with the flavor or shot quality? It may take a few tries to dial in the sweet spot, but once you do, it's worth it. Support links and the full guide are in the description below if you need help. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your coffee.